Some sugar crumbs? Sure.
I love what you did with your antenna.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, look, she's a natural mother.
All right, that's it. Out! Everybody out! Oh, now you're gonna cry, right? You're gonna cry. See if I care. Go ahead and cry. Go ahead. Please, don't cry. Please.
Howdy, folks. For my first number, I'd like to do a song that I recently recorded for the Nowhere label. This is a little ditty about a man who owns half of the city. He's got diamonds and rubies and pearls, and for a hobby, he telephones girls. Count choo-choo, count choo-choo, count choo-choo, count choo-choo, count choo-choo.
Okay, lower. You got it. And that's it.
Rabbit through the hole, chicken in the barn, 2 by 2 by. There's the young. Done!
Ribbit-a-tang!
Good job, guys. Nice work.
Up, down, up,